As we light this lamp, we invoke the blessings of wisdom, inspiration, and innovation to guide us on our journey during this faculty development program. I kindly request the dignitaries to do us the honor of lighting the lamp, signifying the blessing of our quest for knowledge and sustainability innovation.
Esteemed dignitaries for illuminating our path with your wisdom, symbolizing spirit of collaboration and process that we seek to achieve during this FDP. May the knowledge and inspired gained during this program illuminate our path and contribute to the green and more sustainable future. To begin our ceremony, I would like to invite Dr. S. Arun Mehta, convener of the Atal FDP, to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning to one and all, dignitaries on the dais and dignitaries of the dais and then participants of that FDP program. It's privilege to stand before you today and on behalf of Department of ECE, KLEF, extend my warm welcome to the inaugural ceremony of this AICTE-sponsored Atal FDP program. This program signifies our commitment to fostering that innovation, sustainability, and advancement of knowledge. I would like to thank the KLEF management to give this opportunity to organize this Atal FDP program in our KLEF. Atal academics to plan and help in empowering the quality in technical education in the country and support the technical institution in fostering research, innovation, and entrepreneurship through the training in various emerging areas. Atal FDP is a platform that recognizes the critical role of faculty members plays shaping the future of our educational institutions. It is our duty and responsibility to empower our educators with the knowledge and skills. They need to excel their roles. This program as a commitment to fostering excellence in education and research. I want to highlight few points here. For this 2023-24 academic year, the proposals were invited as per the guidelines published in Atal FDP website. The total number of 3,285 proposals were considered under the technical category for examination and evaluation by the expert members in the relevant field. The proposals were proportionated, selected under each domain of core engineering emerging area. The total number of 395 FDP has selected under the core engineering categories. It's among 395, ours is one among that. We are very happy to that. In this moment, I would like to thank AICT Chairman, Atal coordinators, selection committee members to providing this opportunity to execute the Atal FDP program in our institute. Today, we gather here with the shared goal of empowering quality of education and nurturing a culture of innovation and research. Our faculty members are the backbone of our institutions, and their continuous growth and development directly impact the quality of the education we proud to our students of. Our goal is to empower educators and professionals to harness the potential of wearable energy harvesting and storage devices, a field that holds the immense promise for driving innovative sustainability. We aim to explore and develop cutting-edge technology that not only benefit of our institutions, but also contribute to greener and more sustainable future. Over of this course, entire FDP program, you will engage in series of comprehensive workshops, discussions, hands-on experience. These activities will equip you with knowledge, skills, and harness to potential emerging technologies in wearable energy harvesting and storage. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to organizers, resource persons, and all of those who have played a vital role in making the FDP a reality. Your dedication and hard work are treated to us like our shared commitment of our education, sustainability, and innovations. Thank you. And I would like to point out few points for our participants. I encourage you to active learners. From this, you can get the collaborators and innovators, make the most of these unique opportunities and apply what you have learned here to your teaching, research, and practical applications in the real world. I wish you all rewarding the transformative experience in this AICTE sponsored Atal FDP program. Let us pave way for more sustainable, innovative future. Thank you. Let's get into the program.
Esteemed HOD, Dr. M. Suman, who will share their insights with us.
And the fellow faculty. Good morning one and all, and I just want to express my sincere thanks to the faculty Arun Mehta and Vivekananda for organizing this particular FDP. I also thank the management for giving us the opportunity to apply and get this grant. I wish the participants will get the benefit from this FDP. My only request is try to be regular or sincere for these 5 days so that you cannot miss or you will not miss the topics. Hope you will get the benefit from this FDP, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Esteemed guests on the dais, dear faculty members and participants from various organizations and universities, a very good morning to all of you, and I welcome all of you to this 5-day training program on energy harvesting and storage devices being organized by Electronics and Communication Engineering Department of KLEF. Well, for the benefit of participants from outside, I would like to very briefly mention about our university and its focus and how this sort of outcomes are being coming out in this university. It is almost a 43-year-old institution, started in 1980-81 by the present President Sri Koner Satyanarayana Garu along with his late father Koner Lakshmaya Garu. And we traveled a lot. In 2006, we became autonomous. 2009, we attained the status of deemed to be university. And 2012, first time we went for, as university, we got NAC accreditation. Of course, as engineering college, we got highest NAC accreditation in 2008 itself. Every department focus a lot on research by means of number of research groups available in those departments, and ensuring all-round development of the student is the main focus of this university. We give emphasis on academics, personality development, industry-institute interaction, ensuring that student reaches the destination as per the goal, as per the choice, and those who are interested to become entrepreneurs, special focus, special emphasis is being given to them. With the various systems established, with the various remarkable achievements and implementation of those designed roadmap policies, we are very proud to say that this university is achieving 100% placement in all the departments for the past 16 years. And coming to this particular program, I first congratulate ECE department for getting this grant from AICTE, and I congratulate Dr. Arun Mehta and Dr. Vivekanand Venkateswaran for being the backbone in organizing this particular event. Any program, any training program, not only in this university, anywhere you attend, keep one point in your mind, that the goal is just not to providing an opportunity to the faculty member to explore the new technologies in that area. The goal will not be achieved until and unless it percolates down to the students. So it is essential for every one of the participants, whatever the knowledge you acquire in these 5 days, once you go back to your department, once you go back to your colleges, ensure that a platform is established in your colleges such that it will be percolated down to the students. Then only the fruits, then only the knowledge you are gaining will be 100% utilized. I congratulate the research heads, group heads of Advanced Energy Research Studies, and also the Flexible Electronics division of ECE department for giving the complete support to the faculty members and for encouraging the research group faculty members to participate in this 5-day event. I wish this 5-day event program a grand success, and I expect every participant to fully involve in this 5 days program and get 100% benefit out of that. I thank the organizers for giving the opportunity to me. Thank you very much.
Dynamic HOD, Dr. M. Suman sir, and today guest of speakers and participants from the other institutions, universities, and participants of the KL University, and the research members of the VLSI and Microelectronic Research Group, and the family of the EC department, and also the other departments. Welcome you all to the AICTE Atal Faculty Development Program on the emerging technologies towards the storage devices as well as the flexible electronic devices. I take this opportunity to congratulate the organizers, Dr. Arun Mehta and Dr. Vivek Nandan, and also the other organizing members of the FDP program to get materialized and receive the funds from the AICTE Atal. At this point, I would like to mention this is the 3rd year we are receiving from Department of ECE the AICTE Atal grant from the AICTE Atal scheme from 2001. On behalf of the VLSI and Microelectronic Research Group, I would like to share a few informations in this platform. The electronics starts from 1948 based on the Gordon-Moore's law, and today where we are with the lot of devices. Lot of storage devices, lot of smart devices, and a lot of all the wearable devices. Today we are from the Gordon-Moore's principle from 1947, where the number of the components we can make it double on a integrated chip. So the chips is coming up with the latest fashion, latest technologies, with the latest innovations. So on behalf of VLSI and Microelectronic Research Group, we have the number of the research faculty in our group, where we are working on the semiconducting materials, we are working on the semiconducting devices, we are working on the VLSI circuits, VLSI chip, network on chip, system on chip, and also flexible electronics towards the different applications. So having of the multidisciplinary, having of the interdisciplinary and diversity in this particular research faculty group, we are almost all received many number of the projects and also published a number of the research papers in these different topics. This is the one of the very, very important topic where the current latest scenario we are towards the smart India and also the smart villages, smart cities require the lot of innovative devices. I hope from the potential experts from the different institutions throughout these 5 days, lot of potential presentations are made on different technologies point of view towards the flexible electronics as well as the storage devices in these particular junctions. So I congratulate the organizers once again and also the Department of ECE, particularly the VLSI and Microelectronic Research family, to receive the grants and organizing this event. I hope and I wish all the participants will be getting the benefit out of this and having the knowledge of all the speakers of their experience from the real-time industries as well as from the research labs. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have one more enlightening session before we proceed further. I would like to invite Dr. Vivek to introduce our today's distinguished guest of honor, Dr. M.V. Shankar, Professor, Department of Material Science and Nanotechnology, Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa.
I'm very privileged to welcome our guest of honor for today's session 1, Dr. M.B. Shankar, FRSC, Professor in the Department of Material Science and Nanotechnology, Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. So sir also held various administrative positions as Director of IT and Networking Cell and IT Hub, Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa, and also the Director of IQAC, Yogi Vemana University. He was also the head of the Department of Material Science and Nanotechnology and Chairman Board of Studies for the Department of Material Science and Nanotechnology. So in addition to that, so sir has also featured as one of the top 2% most influential scientists in the world in the field of materials and energy for the years 2020, 21, 22 and 23, which is listed by the Elsevier in collaboration with Stanford University, USA. So he has also been featured as one of the top 10,000 scientists in India by AD Scientific Index 2020, 21, 22 and 23. He also received the State Meritorious Teacher Award for the year 2022 and Meritorious Scientist Award in 2021 by the government of Andhra Pradesh. So in terms of research, sir has published SCI journals of more than 118 with the patents of 1 international and 5 national patents, with the books editor as a publisher ranging to more than 20 books. So he have also received a huge impact of citations for his publications with a count of 9,600 with a H index of 47 and an I-10 index of 107. So in addition to that, he have received several international recognitions and awards. So such as he was elected as the Fellow of the Royal Society of Chemistry, London, and the Chartered Scientist by the RSC London. So other than that, he have acquired several prestigious postdoctoral fellowship positions such as DST JSPS Visiting Scientist, Kangwa University Institute of Tech, Japan, and then he also was a postdoctoral fellow in the NIMS, National Institute of Material Science, Shukba, Japan, and then as a postdoctoral fellow in the National Central University, Taiwan, INRA, French National Institute for Agriculture Research in France. So he has completed 2 R&D projects in collaboration with IICT and SICRI, sponsored by MNRE, New Delhi. So with having such an research and academic experience, so we are very privileged to have you as the guest of speaker today. May I please call upon Dr. M.B. Shankar to the podium to deliver his address.
Respected Registrar of this university, Head of the Department, and Energy Center Head, then the conference organizing committees, that is Dr. Arun Mehta and Dr. Vivekanandan, the faculty members of the department, EC department, and all the participants and research scholars. Good morning, one and all. I am happy to be here in this prestigious university in the Andhra Pradesh state, which is one of the A++ university. It's very rare in our state. So A++ university, and also ranked in NIRF and many other top ranking in the country as well as world. And I also seen the website, many credentials of the department. The students were placed 100% for the past several years, and the research facilities and faculty credentials as well. They have several collaborative research projects. So one such is Dr. Arun Mehta, having collaboration with Dr. Satish, one of the speakers today, with Sekri Karaikudi. It's really an excellent ambience to be here in this campus. So a couple of months back, once Arun Mehta invited me to deliver a talk here. So I immediately agreed, because I know this university through the newspaper and publications, and not yet visited. So I want to visit the campus. So the first impression is very excellent. The greeneries, the campus is very good, and it's well organized. All the buildings well connected one to other places. And I could see some of the facilities. Being a holiday yesterday, so today we could see the library, huge library, and laboratories while entering in this building also. It's really excellent. I'm sure the students and the faculty members will get a more benefit out of these facilities. As a participants for this today program, many faculty members and research scholars, you will enjoy a variety of lectures. So the faculty members may be specialized in one particular area. So perhaps you will have diversified topics in the coming 5 days for your FDP program. I'm sure you will enjoy, even if it is not in the same area. Try to interact with the speakers so that you can get more benefit out of it. So now we are in the electronic era, and we have a lot of information available on the website, in the YouTube, you can get it. But what is the major benefit out of this physically present here in this conference is, so you can have the direct one-to-one interaction, and the understanding also, it can be much more better than just online. In the online, when you are listening to the lectures, you can note down maybe some of the point to clarify. Sometimes we may miss it. But here, so you are not distracted. You will be only on this particular job. When you are listening to some of the lectures, online lectures, you may be working on other, you have to go for the next hour class, or for some research work, or the other meeting in the university or the college. But when you are here, you will be focused on that particular talk, only this particular program. So I heard from the organizers that they planned for some laboratory classes in the afternoon. I think this is one of the different kind of FDP program. They have some journal publications also need to explain, and a variety of things compared to our traditional FDP programs. I'm sure this program will be much more beneficial. I thank the university for organizing such a wonderful program, and also a department for taking all the initiative. Conducting a program and bringing the people together is not an easy task. So, but still the university is putting their effort, and also faculty members. So it's very good credentials for this university. It will be beneficial for the upcoming NAC grade, as well as the NRF ranking for this university. Definitely the students will get benefited by interacting with the different type of people. So I request the faculty members or the research scholar to interact among each other, so that you can get you may find a new collaborator, or for research scholar may find a mentor. Why not? Some of the faculty member may get a job as either a research scholar or a faculty member working somewhere else may enter in this university. because recently I heard one of the faculty member from Pondicherry University, he was working in elsewhere in Tamil Nadu. Once he came for this, like you, the FDP program, he liked the university very much. Later he applied and entered into the, joined as a professor in the nanotechnology in that university. So like that, this university, our campus may give more inspiration to you to work more in this topic, as well as joining this elite group in this KL University for doing much more work. So I wish that this university achieve much more benefit out of this conference and encourages the new talent as well. So once again, I thank all the organizing team and the university for giving me this opportunity, and we'll continue more details in the first session. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have one more enlightening session before we proceed further. I would like to invite Dr. S. Arun Mehta to introduce our today's distinguished guest of honor, Dr. Satish M., Principal Scientist, Electrochemical Power Sources Division, CSIR, Karaikudi.
Good morning once again. It's my privilege to introduce my TAR project mentor at this stage, Dr. M. Satish sir, working as a Principal Scientist in ECPS division at CSIR Sikri, Karaikudi. He received his PhD in the chemistry from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras in 2006. Then he moved to National Institute for Materials, Japan for 3 years. After having 3 years of experience as a postdoctoral researcher, he have moved to Tokyo University, Sendai, Japan as a JSPS Research Fellow from 2010 to 2012. From February 2012 onwards, he joined at CSIR Central Electrochemical Research Institute, Karaikudi. Currently, he is working as a Principal Scientist in Electrochemical Power Division. His research is focused on development of advanced materials for energy conversions and energy storage. He has published more than 180 research articles in reputed international journals. Few journals I want to list out here. 4 publications from JAX, Advanced Functional Materials, 2 Chemcom Materials, and 3 ACS Applied Materials, and 7 more books on good impact factors and highly reputed journals as SARS having. And apart from that, conference, 160 plus conference presentations and 2 patent in his credit. He has H-index of 48, H10 index of 139, and total citation more than 9,000 as of current October 2023. He has guided 7 PhD scientists, 6 students are in progress, and MSc, MTech students, and few of postdoctoral fellows, and one among myself also as postdoc. I am working in under SAR as in TAR Research Fellowship. With these credits and is getting more awards and honors, recognized as top 2 scientists in 2021, 22, and 23 also. It is listed by Stanford University, USA in the energy category. He is having many recognitions like elected as a Fellow of Academy of Science in Chennai, December 2020. JSPS is one of the prestigious fellowship SAR has received in 2018 by Japan's Society for Promotional of Science. JSPS postdoctoral fellowship by Japan Society is one of the prestigious research fellowship in the world. SAR has obtained that also. And I would like to invite SAR to make few words about our FDP and encourage you people to participate in that FDP program. Sir, I would like to invite you, sir. Please, your dice is yours.
Good morning to one and all. Respected Registrar and Head of the Department and other faculty members and colleagues and research scholars and invitees from various other universities and colleges. Very good morning once again. And then it's a very privilege to be here as a resource person, since whether directly or indirectly, I am also associated with the KL University, since I am hosting Dr. Arun Mehta for last 1.5 years for his TAR fellowship. So I heard a lot about the campus as well as the administration and then the infrastructures about the university. So this is a great opportunity for me to stand here and then see in person. And then really the campus is almost very similar to the IIT campus, though it's the area is small. And IIT Madras campus, if you enter, you can see the lot of trees and the very wonderful roads. And here also, as soon as I entered, I realized almost it's a part of mini IIT, I can say. So you are in a very nice atmosphere. I'm sure that the faculty members also is very supportive and very interactive to you, the youngsters. So my request is to make sure this opportunity to grab some knowledge on these materials as well as the electronics, whichever it's interest for you. I'm sure that I also should appreciate the topic they have choose. So the wearable energy harvesting and storage devices. I'm sure this topic has been selected with a lot of expertise, since this is a need of the hour to the entire globe. So people are almost last 4-5 years talking about various aspects of energy storage, also harvesting energy from the natural sources, particularly for the sustainable and recyclable energy storage and energy harvesting systems. So as the energy storage person, what we facing the problem is integrating the system. So for example, I am a battery person. I am working on batteries and supercapacitors. So maybe I will explain you what is the batteries and what is the supercapacitors. So both are maybe storing the electrical energy, but in different methods, but the applications are different. But we want to integrate these two systems. So for we need really an electronics person as well as the electrical engineering expertise. As a person with a chemistry background and materials expertise, I can able to make a battery, I can able to make a supercapacitors, but I cannot integrate. So this needs another expertise. This is a different domain. If I want to be a master on that, and then maybe I need to spend another 20 years to learn. By the time everybody will be crossed this. For example, 30-40 years before, somebody was talking about I can talk to some other person in the world without having any wired connections or nothing. Nobody might be believed. Since that time, since there was no mobile phones, right? So for example, the mobile phones now removed so many equipments, starting from our wristwatch to the clock, and then there are calendars have been removed, and that conventional mail has been removed. There are so many things has been removed by this mobile phone. So this is not possible unless otherwise the integration of this group of scientists, they have a different expertise. So always I talk to my students, so making X to X plus is not a use. So that's called incremental research, that anybody can do it. But if you want to see really a product, there should be a integration of people first, coordination of people with a different expertise, then only you could see the real product or usable device. In such a thing, I think this particular topic is very useful for even me to learn many things about electronics and what are the requirements, expertise is available with others. So first of all, we have to find out the right expertise to people to make a team. So I'm sure this particular FTP program will be useful for the attendees as well as for the speakers to identify some new collaborations and new devices. So with this, I once again thank the KL University and its administration, and then the Department of ECE and the organizers for giving opportunity to talk to you. Maybe we'll talk more on the session. Yeah. Thank you.